Congress announces names of 60 candidates in Manipur, CM's son and nephew among the candidates. Joy Kishan accuses BJP leader of providing bogus bank guarantee for Rs 6 crore for road construction. And students of Indian Institute of Information Technology, Manipur protest quality of mess food. Authorities refute allegation. Congress Central Election Committee has announced a list of 60 candidates for the second phase assembly elections in the state. The list released by the All India Congress Committee today was signed by General Secretary Madhusudan Mistry. All the sitting Congress MLAs except O. Landhoni, wife of Chief Minister Okram Ibobi, are in the list. O. Landhoni, who was elected from Kangabok, does not figure in the list as son Suraj Kumar Okram will contest the election on Congress ticket. Nephew of O. Ibobi, Okram Henry, will contest in Wankai against former Congress MLA and BJP candidate Y. Irabod, while Naurabam Ratan Mitai will fight against former Congress MLA and BJP candidate N. Biren in Haingang. R.S. Henry Hilly will contest against BJP's Francis Ngajokpa, who was elected on a Congress ticket in Tadubi. Kadga Tamang will fight against BJP's Nimcha Kipgant in Kangpopi. G.N. Kumuituen alias Dr. Aku and the Congress candidate against former Congress MLA and BJP candidate Z. Kikonbao Nyumai in Tamai. Chinkolal Thangsing will contest against BJP's Vungjajing Valte in Thanlon. Thokchom Ajit will contest in Thongju. Meanwhile, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has also released the list of the candidates. Spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and Thangmiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan attacked Bharatiya Janata Party by saying that a local club of Manipur is better than BJP. Speaking to media persons at Congress Bhavan that BT wrote, he said the silence of BJP when Congress alleged that BJP is in alliance with NSC and IM-backed NPF party shows that the party is hand in glove with the NPF. Joy Kishan maintained that most of the BJP leaders are contractors. He alleged that a BJP member was involved in submitting fake bank guarantee of Rs 6 crore for construction of road from Kanchipur to Lilong. The Congress spokesperson also said a BJP leader has collected more than 2 crore rupees from several persons of Thangmaiband by promising contract works. He warned the people to be aware of BJP.
Congress Party bu NSN samnai haibasidi hainingai leitadna kumbani singda naga taba NSN na dominate toba jaga singda Congress mirek timbagi wapam leikrabani Kanchipur dagi Lilong phabga lambi si nakan tawkhairaga thammaga hujuk leitribase masi BJP lusingba aduna Manipur prajar piba khudolni BJP na Congress na sahi 35 pala abada kari tawkhrabage hariba wapam myam hangi sahi 35 se tumna leiro kanda koi ngarang nanda mikap tholakpanina Manipur da kari thoki bage habise khangdabagi ni haina aina thamjari BJP na chinna natraga wahaina haiba natana ngasi bawugi manungda BJP na Manipur da kari khudrol pigrabage habise masi akoin hangjari leibak miyam na su hangbiu.
Students of Indian Institute of Information Technology, Manipur blamed the authorities of the institute for asking the security personnel to beat them up when they went to lodge a complaint about the food served at the hotel mess. They also held a protest on the campus yesterday from 11 in the morning till late evening. When Impact News visited the hostel today to see the situation, students of the institute expressed their dissatisfaction at the lack of positive response from the authorities. They said the authority did not take any action after they complained about the food served in the hostel mess 5 days ago. Students alleged that they were not ready for talks even when they held a protest yesterday on the campus. They also alleged that the authority locked up the hostel while the protest was going on and the students were forced to wait for hours outside the hostel. They also expressed concern over the location of hostel mess outside the campus in the boys' hostel, making it difficult for girl students to come to the mess in the late evening.
हाँ खाने का जिसके हम लोग को पिछले 1.5 सालों से जूझना पड़ रहा है, इससे कोई हमें आंसर नहीं मिल रहा है डायरेक्टर से। हाँ, मारा है, हाथ चलाया है, गालियां दिया है, सब कुछ किया है उन्होंने। गन दिखाया है, मैगजीन उसने लोड किया है पूरी, और कोई एक्शन नहीं हुआ हम लोग के डायरेक्टर। रात को 2 बजे आप गर्ल्स को भेजते हो उस बॉयज हॉस्टल, उस हॉस्टल से यहाँ तक लाने के लिए कोई सिक्योरिटी प्लान नहीं, बस टीचर्स भेजे जाते हैं कैंपस में, और उन्हें रात को 2 बजे यहाँ खाना खिलाने के लिए लाया जाता है। न कि इवन कि यहाँ से खाना उनके लिए भेजा जाता है वहाँ, जबकि उन्हें यहाँ लाया था विदाउट। ये 5 दिनों से चल रहा है, उन्हें कोई मतलब नहीं है हमसे। एक्चुअली क्या है, हमें बोला गया डायरेक्टर सर से बात होगी। डायरेक्टर सर 2 दिन पहले आए, अभी तक हम लोग से बात भी नहीं किया है उन्होंने। एक बार फेस टू फेस उन्होंने हमसे बात भी नहीं किया है। हाँ।
Although the director of the institute was unavailable for comments on the issue, Junior Superintendent Administration of the institute, Chingangbam Colin, told Impact News that there was no issue over mess food. He said due to the economic blockage, chapatis have not been provided for the last couple of days, but breakfast, lunch and dinner at the rate of 110 rupees per student is provided. Colin claimed that there are no reports of students being beaten up by the security personnel, but students assaulting the security personnel.
Satra mayam da dan tau jing su akoi da lawi bo 110 se che noi pithora ge noi rum dan tau biro na dum akoi na mo request tor na adu su tau de moi akoi director se ngarang invitation pi re invitation hostel ge fe wai bani na akoi campus la ga phamas nuai te adna hostel la ga wai sana se na mo gi representative da akoi information pi re ad mo kanam to su lagte ada moi se uji agitating gi motor lai bani na moi na akoi de register sign tor re kolo ha be gi pot ma ngarang khara tau ra mane ada lai ba security na su mo insist tau mane ba si ge se noi sign tau de chang ba ya ro kolo na ama khara kai no da hostel ma le de adum regulation to khan lai bani na aduna angang sing no changa ga khara phu ko pa di akoi uji yeng bi gani ko akoi gi lai bo ji ke security ge jaga do moi na thuai no ko tang tau ra ne ba.
Former MLA of Wankai Yumkam Irabot has expressed concern that the election will be disrupted if the tripartite talks fail today. Speaking at an election rally today in Wankai in view of the assembly poll to be held next month, Irabot said the ongoing economic blockade is the second longest after the one in 2011. He said it is unfortunate that the state government has been blaming the center rather than taking steps to end the blockade, which has crossed 90 days. Irabot also urged the state government to take full advantage of the tripartite talk and work on behalf of the public to end the present impasse.
Tripartite talk means Government of India and Government of Manipur and UNC. These 3 groups are to sit together and to sort out how to solve the present economic blockade. If the same situation, the said economic blockade is continue further, the schedule in swing elections in 2 phases, 4 March and 8 March. That is extremely, it will be difficult in the part of the hill district dominantly occupied by Nagas.
The center representatives of Manipur government and United Naga Council UNC are holding talk in New Delhi today to resolve the indefinite economic blockade by UNC. The tripartite meeting has been convened by the Home Ministry in view of the hardships faced by the people of Manipur due to the blockade which began on November 1st last year. The economic blockade has caused shortage of essential commodities including food items, life-saving drugs and fuel. Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress has welcomed the tripartite talk of Manipur government, India government and the UNC. The party in a press release said, if the talk results in disintegration among the people living in the state, it will not remain as a silent spectator. It also expressed concern at the violation of model code of conduct by the Congress government during election campaign by speaking about its achievements in the last 15 years and ECI not taking action against it. The state is all set for the 4th phase of Mission Indradhanush in the state. Speaking at the press meet at Family Welfare Department at BT Road in connection with the 4th Mission Indradhanush Director, Dr. Kangujam Raju said routine immunization will be held in Churachandpur, Ukhrul, Chandel and Tamenglong under the 4th phase for the week from the 7th of this month. It may be mentioned that a routine immunization to prevent diseases like diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, poliomyelitis, tuberculosis, measles and hepatitis was initiated by the Union Health Ministry under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's initiative from December 25, 2014.
Mama Papa Singh, village headmen Singh, Sarski leader Singh, the Dailasu Herba, Istin now Singha, say 0 to 2 years, announcing as a Putopiratana mission in the Rusida, Hazana, Polymerized Tonobi of the participant of you, Lona Nerena Miro missing you, Koi Titanas Toxoid Pidra, first dose, second dose, booster dose Pidra, Koigi, Titana Cyberlenas, Ligi, Natom Nominata, President of Nominata. Media home Dina
A team of Imphal East District Police Commander arrested an active member of KNF and during a search operation at the forest area of Kaminlok, Kopibung and Aijijang village on the 1st of this month. The arrested cadre has been identified as Thomas Lenmintang Gyute, 27 years, son of Tangchapao Gyute of Kopibung village. In a press release, the PRO Police Department said he was involved in kidnapping and extortion cases. A case has been registered at Sagolmang Police Station. Women Welfare Organization KANCHIPUR WWOK celebrated its 6th Foundation Day today. The organization in a press release appealed to all concerned to resolve the indefinite economic blockade in the tripartite talk for the betterment of the society. Manipuri Student Federation MSF will hold a 19th Federal Executive Council tomorrow at GM Hall to elect the new Executive Council. The student body in a press release said all the elected students from schools, college and university will be honored at the event and requested all the elected students to attend the event. It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
Touch the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in Education.
Yumanungi application ki mapung faba solution piriba Durasign G6 sizinabiu. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki kudong chaba sing di yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang faklang kupnaba. Yan thaba siling amasung faklang khaidoknaba gi irai laiba solution pi. Panel sing ado phaiba amadi chap yung mai kai install to bayai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. The ongoing protest against a reservation to women in urban local body elections in Nagaland turned violent on Thursday with angry protesters setting various offices on fire. Protesters who came out in large numbers set fire to Kohima Municipal Council office and the office of the Directorate of Transport on Thursday to protest against Chief Minister T.R. Jeliang's refusal to meet their ultimatum. Resigned by 4 p.m. The escalating violence, which has already left 2 people dead and several others injured, prompted the Home Ministry to send central forces to contain the law and order situation, even as curfew and Section 144 continue to remain imposed in Dimapur and Kohima districts. Youths armed with spears and machetes took to the streets to protest against the state government's decision to hold polls on February 1st despite an earlier deal to postpone the election by 2 months. The protesters, all members of Naga tribal groups, want the chief minister and his cabinet to resign. They want the governor to come and talk to them, but Bibi Acharya was in Itanagar. The protesters also want the suspension of all policemen involved in the firing at Dimapur on Tuesday. Campaigning for assembly elections in Punjab and Goa ended last evening. The two states will go to polls tomorrow to elect new assemblies. Voting for all 117 seats in Punjab and that of 40 in Goa will begin at 7 a.m. tomorrow. By-poll to Amritsar Lok Sabha seat in Punjab will also be held tomorrow. Election Commission said the onus to fight the menace of paid news and ensure a level playing field for election candidates is on the media, as imposing regulation on it will be an assault on free press. Election Commission Director Dhirendra Ojas told a workshop that the media alone has the prerogative to control its content, asking media houses to be objective and factual in their reporting in general to provide a level playing field to all players. Oja said they will have to guard themselves against being used as platforms for promoting the interests of a political party or a candidate. He said media plays an important role in detecting cases of paid news or partisan news reporting. Union Minister of State for Home Kiren Rijiju said work on installing smart fence along 3,323-kilometer long India-Pakistan border will begin soon. Talking with media in New Delhi yesterday, Rijiju said testing for the fence is in final stages and soon work for erecting it along the border will begin. He said the new fencing is likely to have a multi-tier security ring comprising an alarm to security force personnel in case of any infiltration bid or attempts to cut the fence. The minister said government will have smart fencing at all our borders in phases, but priority will be Indo-Pak frontier. The government has set a target of completely sealing the India-Pakistan border by December 2018. Kanglei Mime Theatre Repertory has been selected to participate in the 19th International Theatre Festival 2017 organized by National School of Drama in New Delhi. A 23-member team of Kanglei Mime Theatre Repertory led by Dr. Yumnam Sadananda will be leaving for Delhi tomorrow. The team will perform Love for Nature at Shri Ram Center on February 8. Now the sports news. MPSC Team C Eastern Students Club Team A Nomaibung and MPSC Team A entered the quarterfinals of the 32nd and Hazari and Dr. and Tombi State Polo Tournament. In a match played today, MPSC Team C Trans X Polo Club B Wankai 5-2. TH Romand and M Vivekanand netted 2 goals each, while S Abungcha scored 1 goal for the winners. In another match, Eastern Sporting Club A Nomaibung beat Kripsa Naramthong 6-4. K. Sadananda netted 3 goals, TH Momocha 2, while N. Praveen scored 1 goal for Eastern Sporting Club A Nomaibung. In the last match of the day, Chinkai Hunba Polo Club A dropped Chinkai Hunba Polo Club A 9-2. 27 teams are competing in a tournament organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association at Mapal, CANCHIPUR. Mangal FC Kabam entered the semi-finals of the 30th state-level under-14 mini-boys football tournament organized by Thangmaiban Athletics Union. In the first quarter-final match played today, Mangal FC Kabam trashed UUFC Uripok 7-2. Naresh and Robinson scored 2 goals each, while Bishwanath, Anna Rai and Jackson netted 1 goal each. The remaining 3 quarter-final matches will be played tomorrow. Pamyai School Trust CEO Sengjumai Wangma K3 Laikai 7-0 in a league match of the Senior Women Manipur Hockey League at Kumanlampak Hockey Stadium. For the winners, KH Shilaima scored 4 goals, L Pushpa 2, while W Mandakini scored 1 goal. In a league match of the Senior Men Manipur Hockey League Tournament, CEO Sengjumai Wangma K3 Laikai drubbed YCCIC Kontha Kabam 14-0. G. Dinku and I Rohit netted 3 goals each. D.H. Henthoiba, I. Stalin and Premchand and K.S.H. Helmet scored 2 goals each. Manipur Hockey is organizing the league tournament with 5 women's team and 7 men's team competing. In a match of the 5th T20 Veteran Cricket Tournament played today, Young Welfare Club Langtabal beat Model Club Team B Chingamaka by 3 wickets. Winning the toss, Model Club Team B Chingamaka elected to bat first and lost all the wickets, making only 59 runs in the given 20 overs. In reply, Young Welfare Club Langtabal made a target runs in just 15 overs, losing 7 wickets, winning the match by 3 wickets. Champ CANCHIPUR will play a Dynamic Sporting Club Kwakathal in the 6th leg match tomorrow. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Congress announces names of 60 candidates in Manipur, CM's son and nephew among the candidates. Joy Kishan accuses BJP leader of providing bogus bank guarantee for ₹6 crore for road construction. And students of Indian Institute of Information Technology, Manipur protest quality of mess food. Authorities refute allegation.